Alright, today's video, 12 volt cooler test. One is Coca-Cola, the other is a cooler from eBay. These are all over eBay from China. Here are the cans, right here. Let's go ahead and get some temperature readings here. 79, 78, 78, it's all the same. 80, 79, 79, 78. Neighbor working on something. 79, 78, 79, 80, 80, 78. So they're all the same. 78. All room temperature. 79. Alright, so I'm going to put 6 of these in each one, and I'm going to leave them in for 2 hours. Let's see what happens after 2 hours. Okay, with the Coca-Cola one, you could only fit 4 in there, and with the eBay cooler, you could fit 6. Okay, go ahead and put it in the cold setting here. Close that. Close that. Okay. There you go. It's on cold. Come around here. And then this one is on cold. Alright, let's give that a couple hours. Alright, plug these in at around 11:30. It's about 2:30 right now, so I gave these 3 hours to do the job. Let's see if they work. We'll start off with the Coca-Cola one first. A friend gave this to me, so we'll start with this one first. This one only held 4 cans, but let's go ahead. I put these in. They were about 79, 80 degrees according to this infrared thermometer. Okay, cans in the front. One cooled down, 71.3. So that one went down 8-9 degrees. This one says 75.5. Okay, now let's see the other ones in the back. Alright, this one says 70 right there. This one went down 9 degrees. 68. So 66. So this is the coldest one right here. So I'm guessing it's colder in the back of this thing. I guess where the blue section is, that's where it gets the coolest. Yeah, definitely feels colder. So this thing cools down to 61 degrees. So about 20 degrees cooler than the outside temperature of the house, 60 degrees. So I could see this working in an office, 59, 58. Yeah, so if you start off with drinks that are already cold, yeah, this will probably do well in an office. So take that into your office and bring some cold drinks, or it'll fit a sandwich, I guess. So that definitely keeps things pretty cool. You're not going to freeze anything. Okay, now this thing was a monumental failure in my van. I tested this in my van. It was like 90 degrees in my van, so I'm giving this one more chance. It's only 80 degrees in here. In my van, this thing cooled to about 85 degrees on its coldest area, so here we go. This one holds 6 cans. So let's see what we are down to here. Okay, it didn't go down at all. This one says 78. This one's alright, 76. 78. 77.3. 80. 78, 77. So yeah, these ones, Yeah, this didn't do anything. So it still sucks. Even indoors, this eBay brand cooler is not very good. So let's see how cold it got inside the cooler here. This one holds more, but yeah, it didn't cool at all. So here we go. This one actually got hotter. This thing sucks. Yeah, I think this thing's just flat out defective now. I think it broke down after 3 hours. This one says 89. Okay, this one just seems like it's just garbage now. I think it just broke on me. There you go. eBay cooler. It got hotter. It must have broke somewhere in the middle because some of these cans got a tiny bit colder. Yeah, I don't recommend. Yeah, see, this one went down to 76, 77. So it might have worked a little bit, but yeah, I think it crapped out on me. So there you go, eBay cooler. Don't do it. Yeah, it's in the cold setting too. There it is, cold setting right there. And the Coca-Cola version, there you go, cold setting. And it works. See? Do it one more time. See, 60. Low 60s. Right there. Could you see it? There it is. See? Low 60s. And the can, 71, 70, 69, 70, 70. And like I said, when I started this video, these cans were almost 80 degrees. So put some cold cans in there, and that should assist the unit even more. Yeah, there it is. 58 degrees. This one failed. So yeah, even when it was working, like I said, I did a test in my van and it failed. This Coca-Cola one made by Koolatron does work. This one, some generic eBay brand, does not work very well. Even when it works, I think it dropped the temperature by like 5 degrees. This dropped the temperature by 20, which is okay. That's not bad. So put some cold drinks in there. This one will work great in an office. A van, it might be a lot to overcome, but definitely pretty sweet gig for an office. Okay, for comparison purposes, here's a can that's been in the fridge pretty much all day, a real refrigerator, 51 degrees. So there you go. That Koolatron Coca-Cola fridge, 12-volt fridge, cools to like 50 degrees inside a house or office. I don't know if it'll work that well in a van or a vehicle, in a hot vehicle, heat-soaked vehicle, but yeah, it cools to like high 50s. So yeah, if you put a can that's already cold in there, it should keep the can cold the whole day. I wouldn't put milk in there. But there you go. Alright everyone, kick ass, be safe, and take it easy.